What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something so exciting. We finally have our cold air intake for our Hellcat, 2019 Hellcat nonetheless, because they changed stuff in the motor and I've been waiting on an intake for a while. I want to go with Leg Maker, but he hand makes them. He's so far behind on 2019 development. I ended up picking up a JLT Performance cold air intake for the Hellcat. Now don't get me wrong, you look at all these websites, they are proven dyno tested, 27 to 37 more horsepower. You can look it up, you can look at the polls, you can do that. It'll add like 27 to 37 more horsepower to your car. Is that what I was worried about? Absolutely not. I'm here for this supercharger whine. I want to hear this kitty cry. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to get down there and install this cold air intake and let this supercharger just scream. Alright, so we picked up the JLT Performance cold air intake for these Hellcats here. Now, the 2019, what we've been waiting on is this. This is new to 2019. Same thing with your engine cover here. Somebody on Instagram was trying to give me ones that were painted, but it's a 19 and this is different. Same thing with this. They put this breather over here that comes and mounts to your driver's strut, and coming in here to your airbox. So JLT altered their design to work for a 19 as well. And Leg Maker he's just behind on his R&D, and you know, he hand makes them. So I honestly want to go with Leg Maker, but this is what is available and I couldn't wait anymore. I want to hear the supercharger scream. So JLT is an awesome option as well, and they have the solution to this new 2019 edition. So obviously they got all the screws and stuff. I'm gonna assume that
you need a flathead.
No, I'm just trying. Oh, there we go. Unplug that, and I'm gonna be taking that sensor out when we get there. But that, and then it looks like this.
Yeah.
I need this one. Do you have
5/16?
Is that 5/16?
Yep. Oh shit.
Yeah, pop that out. That's here. That's loose.
This one right here.
Well, I don't think you need to even. You could probably just tighten that one back up because we're just gonna slip the new one in.
Yeah.
It'll just slip off of there. I know that. Well, I know this is in here. It's like, you know, the hood scoop actually is useful on this.
Yeah.
So it's down in there. We need to. I wonder if you twist this off. I forget. Well, this is a barbed fitting, so that needs to come off of that. But I'm just trying to see what do the instructions say about getting this off in general. Does it just rotate out? Like, I would assume. Here, let's just take the airbox apart here. Get these right there. Just down and in, yeah. Okay, so we'll deal with that in a second. Get that out. Wow, 3,000 miles. She's already kind of dirty.
Yeah, she is.
Let's see. If I remember correctly, this is just... Wow, it's like an open bottom. Wow, interesting. But I think... If I remember correctly, there's a grommet back here that's just kind of pressed into. And then this up here is the... Oh, here. This is what we need. This. Did it say anything about moving that coolant tank?
Yep, I was just gonna tell you. Remove the 10mm bolts holding the coolant tank and move back.
So I said,
more room.
I said, of course you need that room. Oh, I'll probably just honestly use the socket. Yeah, that's not gonna be fun. No, it's a big 10. There's a small 10 somewhere. I'll just use this and find it later. We're just gonna take this and this, and then. Look out. This is just kind of chilling. Hold on, make sure it's in the hole. So far, this is actually relatively easy, actually. So I'm like kind of impressed. Neat design that slides in there, other than this coolant tank. But yeah, that's super easy so far, even getting this out. This is gonna be fun, getting this PCV valve thing off. But we're honestly about like 5 minutes into this project. Like, this is pretty easy. And then in the inside here, there's the factory tube coming from the grill up here. It's actually usable. They give you this foam pad here to close the gap in there, which is super simple actually. Oh, that's broken. I think they give you a new one. Alright, so totally broke that off. Not sure how that was supposed to come out anyway. It doesn't twist at all. It just kind of broke, so we're going to figure this out here. That's really hot. I don't think I need this anymore. I'm just going to cut it. Cut it off.
Use a razor blade?
Yeah.
Yep.
Alright, instead of like messing with that forever, I'm just gonna cut this off because I don't need this anymore. So, yeah, I'm not really worried about it. I'm just gonna cut through the plastic and have it come right off. Oh, yeah, so much easier. Okay, so newer Hellcats are going to use this adapter here. You're going to have the gasket. You're going to have the gasket, your plate, and then it has the twist sensor, not the slot sensor. But now we can just literally put this stuff back together now. It's actually been quite simple. Should be quite simple to slide into here and down there, just like that. Wow, that was nice. I see it. It's actually really hot in there, actually. That's hot. So this is going to route through here, connect. That'll route. There's that. And then this, I believe we remove because it's not going to fit. Yeah. So this goes in here. Boom. Just like that. And then, alright, so we just lubed this up with a little bit of, actually it was 2-stroke oil because that's what I had inside and out. And then this, gonna slide on where we cut the other one off of. Okay, so that's on there. And this one is short and simple. And it should just slide right in there. Boom. Wow, that was kind of almost too easy to slide in there like that. So there's that. I'm going to twist this down on so it gets a little flatter. Done. Wow, so that's literally everything. Alright guys, we've been going back and forth on this quad and this all day today. We're messing with some things. New carbs in. It's idling way too high. It's just a thing. I'm going to take that carb out, make sure everything's straight, make sure the throttle's not sticking, yada yada yada. Run through there. Hopefully I'll get it done by camping Thursday. I'd love to, but worst comes to worst, you know, it's life. Things happen. It's okay. But yeah, we'll try and get that thing all fixed up, tidied up, and whatever tomorrow. I gotta go head out here in a little bit. We'll take this on a test drive in a few minutes as well, but this JLT performance intake is all done. Honestly, super easy install. They told you to take this whole thing off and then put it on the table and whatever. Honestly, you only need is if you're not going to plan on keeping the stock intake or doing whatever, or that, you can honestly just razor blade that fitting off, and I'm pretty sure you can probably order a new one of those. But that was super simple, and on top of this, like, yeah, that was dumb simple install. Everybody is worried about the rain guard that comes with the kit. There's these two 10mm bolts, and the thing slides in there. As you can see, there's a gap on this side, so we are a little bit worried about that. However, let's see what it looks like with the hood closed. I guess you only really need to worry about this half because the filter's right here anyway, so I guess you're okay. Let's actually back this up and then we'll get some road clips in a minute. You can actually hear that thing. Oh my goodness. That's insane. Oh, I cannot wait to get this thing on the road later. Alright, so we're first kind of pulling the road here. I need to put this thing in fun mode. There we go. Oh, no shit. Let's see what it sounds like out of a dig here. That sounds freaking sick. Absolutely sick. You're getting full like supercharger sound, which is just, ooh. Oh, that's what I wanted this whole time. I'll have to get some clips from the outside either later today or tomorrow, but wow. Okay, turning again. Let's see. That is just stupid. Okay, we're about to go up a hill here. Holy clean sound too. Oh my goodness. That sounds darn good. I hope you guys are hearing this. Oh my goodness. That's just wet. That sounds so darn good. And like I said, 37 horsepower, whatever it gives me, I'm not really worried about that. Fully worried about the sound. And right on the money. Right on the money. Now I'm gonna kick this into manual mode. I'm gonna downshift. And one more time. Definitely, and it gives, okay, so I still don't have a pedal commander on this yet, but it's still, I will admit, it does improve throttle response like they claim just a bit. I've driven this car 3,600 miles and the pedal does feel a little bit more responsive now. Sound on point. Horsepower, don't have a dyno, don't have numbers for you, but you know, if they dynoed it and did their claims on stock, everything else, you're gonna get your 27 to 37 or whatever they claim horsepower. It's something in the high 20s, the high 30s range. I forget exactly what it is, but this thing sounds awesome. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. As you could tell, that supercharger just screams. I'm over here editing what you just watched, but the supercharger just sounds so good now. JLT, that intake just sounds top notch. That's honestly awesome. My seat belts just got here for the truck. So after I edited this, back to work, gonna go outside and install those, so stay tuned for that video in the next few days here. Get excited for that. I may or may not have looked at them already, and they look so good. They honestly look awesome. So can't wait to put those in my truck. Pretty much gonna put this clip in the video, export it, upload it, head outside, put those belts on, and try and get this quad back together. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you's support. I appreciate you guys liking the videos, commenting. If I don't respond, I do read them all. I know it's like kind of cliche, but yes, I'll sit there and I'll scroll and read. But I appreciate every single one of you. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll be putting those seat belts back in. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys in the next video.